Hey guys, it's Amy with Aim to Plan, and I am back with another Stickerbook flip through. Okay, so you can see here, this one is Friendship. Friendship is part of the Happy Planners Spring 2021 release. I will just let you know that this book was one that I picked up at Michael's, so I know it is available at Michael's. I'm not sure where else it will be available, but I was able to pick it up at Michael's early. So if you're watching this, especially like right when I published this video, it is an early release at my store. I'm assuming it wasn't really meant to be out on the shelves yet until a little bit later, maybe like a week or so after this. But it was out early, so I picked it up. And I'm flipping through this even before the Happy Planner has previewed or like mentioned any of the new releases for spring. So it's an early release for me. I'm really happy to like be able to flip through it. But just keep in mind that, you know, if you're wanting this book, just be a little bit patient. You might be able to find it a little bit later. It's going to be released eventually, and it's, I don't think, meant to be limited edition. Okay, so I'll include the SKU number and the link for you so you can get it directly from Michael's. So this one is Friendship. It has 814 pieces, and again, it is Friendship, just like labeled on the spine there. These colors for the spring release are just so cute. So for spring, you normally expect like pastels, but this is pastel, but like in a very like muted pastel color palette, which is just beautiful. I love it. Right here it says I can't even speak. BFF date. Days spent with friends are the best, and just like quotes related to friendship, which is so fun. Right, look at that. That's so cute. Right, there's some gold foiling in some of these. So you're my BFF IRL. How cute is that? Right, some more functional stickers for you to use. Right, again, more functional stickers. Here's Babes Unite, Ladies Night, Girl Gang. Right, obviously very friendship themed. Dinner and a movie, brunch with the girls, lunch date, girls night, BFF date. How cute. Again, like it's pastel, but like with a very retro vibe, which I love. Look at this. This is cute. I love these colors. Right, we'll get more colorful boxes. Those are cute. Right, look at this font. All right, I don't know if it's hand lettering, font, whatever, but it's with gold foiling, and that's just so cute. Right, here we have more quotes. This is on clear sticker paper, so you like example, where would we be without our best friends forever and ever. How cute. Right, these are like the little word strips, and again with a bunch of different colors. These colors are gorgeous. Love that. All right, look at that. That's so pretty. All right, here are some alphabets on clear paper, and then some more with different colors. Right, again, more like decorative boxes that fit into the vertical, the classic vertical layout. Some washi strips. Right, BFF, some icons. These are cute. All right, look at this. Those are so cute. All right, here's like appointment boxes, like what, when, and the details of your event. This one has gold foiling on it. Happy hour. Like some more like functional boxes. Okay, weekends are for the girls. Soul sisters, no one better than my bestie. That's really cute. All right, BFFs, so cute. Sunshine on my mind. These are so pretty. All right, get it, girl. BFFs. BFFs. I can't. I was saying BFF singular. All right, like long boxes for your sidebar. Some more colorful boxes. Right, and these are like little pill shaped, like it's like square, but like with a semicircle on the ends, like little pill shaped ones. Gold foiling. And then same shape here. And then like little icons on the side. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Right, I'm thinking as I'm flipping through it, the reason why I really love this book is because it's retro, but with like purple in it. Right, and the purple really speaks to me, so I'm really excited about that book. Okay, Friendship. Again, I'm previewing it a little bit early. I'm flipping through it a little bit early, but it should be available at Michael's and probably a couple of other locations. I'm just not sure yet exactly at the time I'm recording this video. But I hope you enjoyed this flip through. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. And until the next video, bye guys.